How does the testing effect boost your exam review? Imagine trying to remember a new song. Listening to it repeatedly helps, but singing it out loud makes it stick better. That's similar to what the testing effect does for your studying. When you actively test yourself on class material, you strengthen your memory more than just rereading notes. This is especially helpful when you're preparing for tests and exams. When you quiz yourself on what you've learned, your brain moves information from short-term to long-term memory. This process makes it easier to recall facts during the actual exam. For example, if you're studying history, testing yourself on key dates and events helps you remember them longer. It's like giving your brain a workout that makes the knowledge more durable. Taking practice quizzes also helps you see what you already know and what you still need to work on. This way, you can focus your study time on weak spots instead of wasting time reviewing what you already understand well. It's a smart way to make your study sessions more efficient. Testing encourages active learning. Instead of passively reading or highlighting, you're actively trying to recall information. This effort helps organize your thoughts and makes connections between ideas. For instance, explaining a science concept aloud or writing down what you remember helps solidify your understanding. Even if you get a question wrong during practice, it's not a setback. Trying to recall the answer and then reviewing the correct information actually helps you learn better. Mistakes become learning opportunities, making your study time more productive. When you test yourself regularly, you also start to see patterns and group related ideas together. This helps you understand complex topics better. For example, when reviewing math formulas, practicing problems helps you see how different concepts connect. Testing on one topic can also boost your memory of related topics. If you study vocabulary words and test yourself, you're more likely to remember synonyms or related words later. This makes your overall exam prep more comprehensive. Another benefit is confidence. The more you practice with self-tests, the more familiar you become with the exam format and question types. This reduces anxiety and helps you stay calm during the real test. To make the most of the testing effect, try using flashcards or quiz apps that challenge you on key terms. Take practice tests after finishing a chapter or online quizzes that cover the material. Before reviewing your notes, try to write down what you remember from the lesson. Explaining concepts aloud or teaching someone else also works well. And remember, space out your self-testing over days or weeks instead of cramming. Incorporating regular self-testing into your study routine makes your review sessions more effective. It helps you remember more, understand better, and feel more confident when test day arrives.